So hello everyone. This is the I think fourth or fifth video lecture series. Okay. In last video we have discussed this much plan, but as per the client demand, this plan has been modified. Okay. So the new plan is this one. Okay. This one is for the ground floor and this one is for the first floor. We will see in this video how to draw this. Okay. So as per the client, as we discussed in the earlier videos, the site is of the 36 feet 25 feet, yes, 36 by 25 feet. Okay, and the outer wall is of 10 inches, so just offset all the walls through 10 inches. We have already discussed how to use offset command, how to use copy, move, cut, draw, erase. All the commands we have already discussed. Okay, and just trim out the corner point. So just enter tr, enter, and remove the corner parts of all the lines. Okay, all sides are blocked. Okay, so we have to make our drawing within this area, not a single inch outside this area. Okay, so the we have in the last video we have drawn, I think, this one, no? Yes, we have drawn this room. Okay, so this will be as it is. Okay, so we will draw two rooms this side, and one parking area in the this side, and another third room in this third room, or all you may say. Okay, so just click here for the 12 inches, or just offset this line as 12 feet, sorry, 10 feet. Okay, and all the internal walls will be of 5 inches, so just offset 5 inches in outward direction. Okay, and from the mid portion draw a line and offset this line 2.5 inches both sides, so that the size of room will be the equal. Okay, and delete or erase the middle portion of the line, and in the same way trim the extra portion of the line too, so the walls connected. Okay, and this one. So we have this two rooms here. Okay, and we will draw the parking area this side. Okay, so just for the reference purpose, draw a line in the middle of the plot. Okay, so this is our plot. Okay, just draw for the reference purpose, and just measure, or just draw a line of 8 to 11 feet. Okay, Mhm. Just draw a line of 11 feet by from here to here, and delete this line. Okay, and to match the property, click here for the match property, means change this line property into another line property. Okay, so just click here match property, select the source object, means in which property you want to change this line. So just click here and just click here. Okay, the line will automatically changed. Now we have to draw a staircase in the middle portion. Okay, so as it is a small plot, we have to draw a little bit a small staircase. Okay, so just select the line, and first of all change the layer of the line in the wall. Okay, and just select a line. Here you have to click 3 feet. Okay, and by 10 feet, again 6 feet, and just connect here. Okay, and offset all the line by 5 inches in the outward direction. Okay, and now trim the extra portion. Okay, just join this video may be a little bit long, but watch the video till end so that you will understand better. Okay, this is our staircase. How to do detailings of a staircase we will see in upcoming lectures. Here we will only see the basic design and how to add doors and windows. Okay, so just measure this. It will be of, I think, 8 feet. No, yes, 8 feet 3 inches, and in the same another side will be of the 8 feet 3 inches. Okay, and this is the center line of a staircase. Okay, and the parking area is from here to here to the center of the. Okay, this much is the parking area, means from here to 15 or 14 feet. Okay, this is sufficient. This much is the parking area from the middle portion of the light. Okay, you can see half of the staircase is consumed in the parking area. This is possible in this way. A person enters here, we will add a gate. Okay, a person enters from here in the bottom of the stair. This is the upper flight and this is the lower flight. In, for example, you can understand flight as Just a moment, I will show you what is flight. Okay, so just click all the things here and click here. Okay, for example, if a person start moving from here and go from this first flight, this is the flight. What is flight? If someone asks you what do you mean by flight, then this is flight, and the lower portion of flight is waist slab. Okay, and on the waist slab the riser and the tread is placed or constructed. Okay, so this is the lower flight, means ground to the first landing, and the second flight is from the first landing to the first floor is the second flight. Okay, in the same way, if a person enters from here on under the second flight, here is here we will provide a gate and go upward from this side. Okay, you can see our cursor. Person enters from here on the ground and go upstairs from this side, and here is the first landing on above the ground, approximately 6 or 7 feet above. Okay, and here again go upside. Okay, and it is the first floor. So this is the parking area, means the second flight is above 7 feet above the ground level now. So this can be used as the parking area. Okay, now you have to draw the keychains and the rest of the component. Okay, so just for example, I will just copy from the previous, because drawing keychain is very easy. You just have to select now. So just I'm just copying it. Okay, you try to draw all the things because this is important for you. Okay, we will also copy the vent from this drawing. Okay, ventilation, I mean to say that it is the vent. As we have already discussed, this is not our. Okay, so now you can see, just copy the staircase. We will discuss the staircase in detail in the further upcoming lectures. Okay, so don't worry. I'm just copying this staircase for convenience. Okay, don't worry. We'll discuss the staircase in detail from the upcoming lectures. Okay. Okay. Now a person enters from here. This is the parking area, and this is the first room, second room, and the small one, and this is the third room. Okay. Now how to draw doors. Okay, we have already discussed in the previous video that how to add doors. If you have YQR's plugin, then it is very easy for you to draw and add the doors. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to select the YQR's plugin. Okay, if you have don't installed the plugin yet, then there is a full video tutorial on my YouTube. We will provide you the link in the description of this video. You can see and install the full version of YQR's plugin. It will be beneficial for you to draw, add, and many things in the AutoCAD. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to do select YQR's plugin or just type AD, enter. AD is the shortcut command for the YQR's, and whole pier width will be the 36 inches. Style will be the same one. Okay, nothing you have to worry for. Okay, and just click here, so the doors will open here. Okay, what I have done, I have selected the YQR's plugin, doors and windows, open door on wall. We have selected the whole pier width from the command bar. Okay, just enter here for the 36 inches for the 3 feet door, and the pier width means from how much offset will be taken from the wall of the door. Okay, here we have selected 5 inches and just click OK. A style is default style, don't worry for that, and select any wall. Just for the kitchen or washroom wall, we have to select, sorry, we have to select the whole pier width as 20 sorry 30 inches. 30 inches, that is 2.5 feet. Okay, 12 to the 24 plus 6, 30 inches. Click OK, and here just select this one. The door will be created automatically. Okay, in the same way you can add the doors here. Okay, and the kitchen will be the open kitchen, don't worry for the kitchen, it will be open kitchen, and here you can add doors as per your convenience. Okay, so this is our final plan. From the next video we will add detailing in the plan. Okay, sorry for inconvenience you all guys, because we have promised in the last video that we will discuss the detailing of the floor plan in this video, but due to the changes in the main plan or due to the client demand, we have to stay for a little long time. So don't worry, from the next video I assure you that we will discuss everything, means how to add detailing, that is window, staircase detailing, center line, how to add plumbing line, electrical line, where should be the electrical component in the building. We will see all the detailings in the next video. So we will close the video here. If you have any doubt till now, so just mention it in the discussion section. Someone from our students or I will guide you within 2 days. Okay. So thank you guys. If you have any problem, don't hesitate to call me or just email me. You all have my email ID, my phone number. So we are ending this video here, and try to draw till now. Okay, and try to draw till now and submit your drawing in the discussion section. There is a tab to, I think, yes, there is a tab to add the files in the discussion section. You can upload this drawing in the PDF format. Okay, so we will check your drawing and move forward from it. Okay, this is our final part. We will see the detailings from the next video. We will also see the structural detailing a little bit because it is not our AutoCAD part, it is of the StatPro part. Okay, so thank you guys, see you in the next video.